When it comes to protecting your home against pests, traditional insulation just won't cut it. Keep your home comfortable and help eliminate invading pests with insulation from Terminix. Insect pests may enter your attic through small cracks and gaps. Insulation can be one of their favorite hiding places, but they don't stop there. They can move from the attic into the living spaces of your home. To safeguard your home from pests and the damage nature can cause, Terminix offers a range of services that provide total home protection, from top to bottom and at every angle. Our insulation service can not only help your home maintain comfort year-round, it can also aid in protecting against certain pests. Our high-quality cellulose insulation has been carefully designed with a pest control additive to stop and eliminate certain pests when they contact it. Think of it as an additional layer of protection from pests, such as ants, cockroaches, silverfish, and more. This insulation can replace or be added on top of your existing attic insulation to help increase your home's comfort year-round. Plus, its features can have added benefits for your home. Your expert can also take care of your crawlspace with lightweight fiberglass batting insulation installed between the joists under your floorboards. With both insulation types, your expert will follow a 3-step process that ensures the best results for your home. Connect with us today for a free estimate.